Election day is just a week away, and if you didn't think it was hard enough deciding on a candidate to vote for, a complicated question will be on the ballot as well.
It's a proposed amendment to the state's constitution, filled with legal phrases. If it confuses you, it's totally understandable. So tonight, we're on your side, breaking it down. Jake Melder has much more in tonight's big story.
Look at this text. The Constitution shall be amended by the addition of a new section. The legislature shall not relinquish oversight. This is pretty confusing. So let's go ahead and take a look past all of this legal jargon and find out what the amendment actually means.
First, we need to know where laws come from. Typically, the legislature is the only branch that creates and passes laws. But in 1966, things changed. Agencies under the executive branch, like the Department of Labor or Fish and Game, could now make rules that have the effect of law. Some legislators thought that stepped on their toes, so after only 3 years, a new law forced executive rules to be approved by lawmakers. Essentially, this restored the balance of powers to how it was. In 1989, though, then Governor Andrus challenged the law. The Board of Health and Welfare, an executive agency, had created a rule that didn't pass the legislature. The case went to the Idaho Supreme Court, and in a 3-2 decision, they sided against Andrus and upheld the law. That decision has been the basis for the balance of power in Idaho for the last 25 years.
So do you get it? Jake was reporting there with some wonderful assistance. Well, those who want the addition to the Constitution say it gives additional protection for lawmakers to be the chief legislators in the state. Detractors call it unnecessary and a potential detriment to ruling and running the government. Of course, you can voice your opinion November 4th at the ballot box.